Hi. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build an augmented reality application in the FlowFuse Node-RED Dashboard using Three.js and AR.js. Unlike virtual reality in my previous video, where you are fully immersed in a virtual environment, augmented reality allows you to place a 3D model directly into the real world using your device's camera. This makes it a great solution for visualizing production lines, machines, and factory data in a much more interactive way. For this demonstration, I'm using the Hiro marker as the AR marker. Once the camera detects the marker, the 3D model is automatically placed on top of it and remains aligned with the marker in real time. For the 3D model, I'm still using the same spot welding production line from the previous videos. It consists of 7 robotic welding machines, allowing us to simulate a realistic manufacturing environment. As you can see, the production line appears directly above the marker. The welding robots are animated, the tower lights respond to machine status, and each monitor displays live production information, including OEE, actual output, and target output. The best part is that all of these values can be connected directly to a PLC, a database, or any other industrial data source. Before we begin, let me show you the files we'll be using for this project. I've placed everything inside my Node-RED directory. The Models folder contains the 3D model for this demonstration, while the Libs folder contains the Three.js libraries and other required JavaScript files. By keeping these libraries locally, the dashboard doesn't need to download them from the internet every time it loads. This makes the application faster, more reliable, and easier to deploy in industrial environments. This is the Node-RED flow used in this project. The robot positions and production data are currently generated using random values and then sent to the template node. In a real application, you can easily replace these random values with live data from a PLC, a database, or any other industrial system. Now, let's take a look at the template node. First, we load all the required libraries, including Three.js, AR.js, and Chart.js. After that, we initialize the AR scene, configure the camera, and start the webcam so AR.js can detect the Hiro marker. Once the marker is recognized, the 3D production line model is loaded and attached to the marker. This allows the entire factory layout to stay aligned with the marker as it moves. Finally, the animation loop continuously updates the marker tracking, robot movements, production data, and renders the scene in real time, creating an interactive augmented reality visualization. If you'd like to build and try this project yourself, I've shared the complete source code, the 3D models, and all the required files on my Gumroad page. This project is part of my Three.js and FlowFuse Node-RED Dashboard tutorial series. You'll also find all the previous parts, starting from part 1, along with the files used in each tutorial. I'll continue adding new parts to this series as I develop more features and real-world industrial applications. That means you'll have access to an expanding collection of examples covering topics such as 3D visualization, dashboards, virtual reality, and augmented reality. The current price may increase as more tutorials and project files are added in the future. So, if you're interested in following the complete series, now is a great time to get access. You'll find the Gumroad link in the video description below. Now, let's go back to the augmented reality application. When the model appears and the Show Detail Information option is switched on, you can select any machine in the production line. A pop-up window will then appear, displaying the detailed information for the selected machine. If this option is turned off, selecting a machine will still display a large screen in front of the monitor within the augmented reality view. The screen will show the availability, performance, quality, and hourly output values for the selected machine. And that brings us to the end of this video. In this tutorial, we've learned how to build an augmented reality application in the FlowFuse Node-RED Dashboard using Three.js and AR.js. We started by setting up the required libraries, configuring the R environment, loading the 3D model, and displaying real-time production data in an interactive R scene. Although this example uses a spot welding production line, the same approach can be applied to many other industrial applications. You can replace the 3D model with your own machines and connect the data to a PLC, a database, MQTT, OPC UA, or any other data source supported by Node-RED. I hope this video gives you some ideas for creating your own augmented reality applications for industrial visualization, monitoring, or digital factory projects. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the upcoming tutorials in this Three.js and FlowFuse Node-RED Dashboard series. As always, if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. I always enjoy reading your feedback and ideas. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.